body of lady doctor in Arjikar Hospital was recovered on last 9th of August. Today 1 month has been completed of this incident, but the justice has not been delivered yet. And in protest of this incident, this brutal incident, entire civil society of Kolkata has come down on road. They are protesting against Arjikar Hospital incident. They are chanting slogan of justice. They are chanting slogan of Azadi. Right now we are present at Jadavpur 8th area in Kolkata, which is in South Kolkata area, and the students, all the students, the youth generation and entire civil society has come down on road seeking justice. They are demanding justice. एक बार बात करना चाहूंगा किस किस चीजों से आप लोग आजादी मांग रहे हैं अभी? आप लोग बोले आजादी चाहिए, किस किस चीजों से आजादी चाहिए?
I have already said, आजादी चाहिए to walk on streets at night, for women, for queer people, to stand here, to feel safe in their own houses, on the streets, to go about their life like we deserve. Our birthright is the freedom of expression, freedom to live, freedom to exist freely. I do not want to exist with a fear that something will happen to me someday. My biggest fear, and to stand here today, to walk on where I belong, in my birthplace, cannot be my gender. I cannot be afraid because of my gender. We are fighting for the freedom to fighting against the notion that the victim is wrong, that the victim can be blamed. This protest is against that. This protest is to demand the well-deserved justice, to demand, to question where is the justice for this case, for all the cases that have been happening all the time, everywhere. This is a protest, this is a fight. To stand here today, I shouldn't have to fight for it to exist.
Today 1 month has been completed, but 1 month has been completed of this incident today, but justice has not been delivered yet. Why this delay has been delivered?
I do not know, but I want justice. Justice should have been served the day this incident took place. Within a few days, they did not. There's a heinous crime that took place, and there's so much of attempts to cover this up. Where is the answer? Where is justice? We want answers from CBI, from Supreme Court, from whoever is trying to fight for this incident. We are fighting to get the justice.
Are you keeping faith on CBI?
I am keeping faith in the individuals, in my fellow friends, in the citizens of Kolkata, citizens of India, in the citizens who are standing here today and fighting, who are putting everything on hold to fight for something that is right.
As a woman, do you feel safe in the city of joy?
No, that is the thing. I come from a college which has students all over the nation, and standing in that college, I used to be proud that Kolkata is a safe city. After this incident, after the continuous fights, this is not a safe space anymore. It's not just about Kolkata. Anywhere in the world, it is not safe. Why do I have to think twice before stepping out of my house? What I wear, what I speak, what I eat, how I dress, it shouldn't be their choice to make. It should be mine, and I shouldn't have to be judged or feel unsafe for it.
Thank you so much. You can see along with the students and youth generation, the LGBT community has also joined in the protest. They are also protesting against the incident. You can see along with the students and youth generation, the LGBT community has also joined into the protest against Arjikar incident. Would like to ask you, आप लोग आजादी मांग रहे हो, किस चीजों से आजादी मांग रहे हो आप?
আমি ধর্ষক থেকে আজাদি চাই, আমাদের ধর্ষক থেকে আজাদি চাই, আমরা দেশ থেকে আজাদি চাই, আমরা দেশমুক্ত শাসক চাই।
So you can see the entire civil society the students and youth generation has come down on the street of Kolkata. They are seeking justice. They are demanding justice, and they are chanting slogans of justice. They are singing songs. They are performing arts. They are painting on the roads. In every way possible, they are protesting against the Arjikar incident, which took place just before 1 month, and they are demanding justice. The protesters are hopeful they will get justice. With camera person Tapan Naskar, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.